He is good at solving problems. Wasn't she good at explaining it? Will you be good at doing the job she has? Did they tell you they were good at fixing things that break like that? What are you good at doing? Wasn't she good at making the desserts they like eating? Is she good at making excuses when she doesn't feel like doing something? Did you tell her what you were good at solving? Will they be bad at putting together the furniture you bought? Is he good at singing songs when they have the opportunity to do karaoke? Was he good at taking care of the kids while his wife was away? Wasn't she good at telling them how they should do it? Is the guy standing there good at making a website? Was she good at teaching English to the students who asked her to teach? Will she be good at teaching the kids other people are having difficulty teaching? Who was better at doing it? Who was the best at getting everyone to work together? What was she better at making for lunch? Weren't they the best at finding things the kids were interested in playing? Who was the best at selling the furniture they had in the store? Was she better at speaking English than the other kids that were in her class?